Hi everyone, big welcome back to the channel. Now, as you can probably tell, this is not my Q6. My Q6 is at the crash repairers because a van rolled into it and did a bit of damage. This is my rental through the accident management company that I have to use because my Q6 is a company car technically, as it's on salary sacrifice. Anyway, this thing that I'm in now, this is fantastic. I have absolutely loved driving this. And it reminds me of the best car I have ever owned. Of all the cars that I've owned, I've got one that kind of really stood out as a favourite and kind of exceeded all the expectations. And this reminds me very much of it. I have just covered 260 miles over the last couple of days. Dorset up to Heathrow, up to Hemel Hempstead, back down again into Bournemouth, back again. The kind of big running around. Also had a ski race because, you know, it is Skitron after all on this channel. So we do have to go to ski races. It's been loaded up. We've done a lot of motorway. I've covered 260 miles. I have averaged 4.2 miles per kilowatt hour. I've got 20% remaining and about 66 miles remaining. It wasn't even a full battery when it started, and the battery is not much over 80 kilowatt hours. So this thing is incredible. So hit subscribe to the channel because I'm going to do a review on this thing. I reckon this is pretty special, and its successor is already out there. So yeah, the successor to this is going to be, I think, a very, very good car indeed. So yeah, hit subscribe. I'll tell you more about it, and see you soon.